Instrumentation of Conductometric Titration. The instrument used for measurement of conductance are known as conductometers. It consists of current source, alternating current source, mechanical high-frequency AC generator. When electrical potential is applied across electrodes, two process occurs. Ions accumulate near the electrodes. Transfer of charge through the interface. Conductivity cells, wide-mouthed cells, cell for reactions producing precipitates, dip-type cells too. Made of pyrex or quartz and are fitted with two platinum electrodes. Should be placed in vessel containing water to maintain constant temperature. Electrodes 3. Platinization of electrodes is done by coating solution of 3% chlorplatinic acid and lead acetate on it to get uniform coating. 3% chlorplatinic acid and lead acetate on it to get uniform coating. Electrodes usage depends on conductivity and concentration. If CONC is low, then electrodes should be largely and closely packed. The working of conductometric titration is based on the principle that the conductivity of a solution depends on the number and the charge of the ions present in it. As the titrant is added, the concentration of the ions changes, resulting in a change in conductivity. The plot of conductivity versus volume of titrant shows a sudden change at the equivalence point, where the reaction is complete.